Hi, you probably clicked this video because you experienced a situation where your laptop crashed and then your drivers was no longer picking up. Well, that situation actually happened to me. I have two SSDs inside my laptop and my laptop just crashed, and when it powered back on, only the operating system drive came on, but the second drive didn't show up. So I updated the drivers, nothing worked. I updated the operating system, Windows update, nothing worked. And I went to YouTube, and when I go to YouTube, I find that actually most of the solutions there apply to corrupt drives, external drives, and new drives. So you're gonna do your partitioning and all of that, and also cleaning up the drive. So I didn't want to do that. I can see the drive when I go to CMD, when I click I list the disks. I see that disk 0 is there, but it doesn't have any memory, doesn't have anything, and it's not like initialized. As you can see on the screen, we have 0 unknown. And when I come to disk manager like this, and then I click initialize, and I click OK here, it tells me that a device which does not exist was specified. So for me, my solution was I just pressed on the power button and for like 15 seconds, then the laptop turned off, and then after 15 seconds I powered it back on. Wait, fortunately enough, my drivers were both up. This one has always been up because it runs the operating system, so it only makes sense for it to always be up. This is the second one, 1 tera, and it was saying uninitialized, so now it's working fine. Let's just check. So in the disk manager, it was saying that drive is unknown inside here. One was Samsung and one was unknown. Yeah, this is the Rogue one. It was unknown. So now it's back up, so everything is fine. Well, yeah, that's what worked for me. Hopefully it also works for you, and if it does, leave a subscribe for me, okay?